Are you Carolyn Hardison? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
This is 24 CR 0080. You were born in 1988.
Yes, sir.
That's 4 digits, social security number 3232. A motion has been tendered that says you wish to enter guilty plea today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
Yes, sir.
Is this plea freely and voluntarily given?
Yes.
Are you the same person that we identified twice in 24 CR 0080?
Yes, sir.
Is your judgment impaired today in any way?
No, sir.
Have you discussed these charges with your attorney? Are you satisfied with his advice?
Yes, sir.
Have you reviewed the evidence that the Commonwealth has against you?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe you're fully informed about your case? You understand that you do not have to enter a guilty plea. You have certain rights under the Kentucky United States Constitution. Before I can proceed, I need to know that you understand those rights. You have a right not to testify against yourself. No one can make you say the right to speak trial, but jury right to be represented by counsel at your jury trial, the right to confront and cross-examine all witnesses, call testify, produce evidence, the right to call witnesses in your favor, and have process issued to compel their attendance, the right to appeal this matter to higher court if you lose, and right to require the Commonwealth to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you're guilty of charges against you. And by entering a plea, you give up all those rights. Now, you understand that?
Yes, sir.
I may consider the Commonwealth's recommendation, but I may apply any range of sentence by the law. I do not have to give the recommendation. Now, Mr. Hunley, will you go ahead and give what the recommendation is?
Yes, Your Honor. Upon a plea of guilty to willfully allowing a buyer to escape from her own land to another, the defendant shall receive a sentence of 1 year. Pretrial diverted to 1 year. The land in question is adjacent to the land of Donald Abney. The defendant agrees to convey deed her land to the victim, Donald Abney, as restitution. The defendant is to pay all property taxes on the land and deed preparation.
Is that what you agree to?
Yes, sir.
Now, let me go over this, some qualifications. Have you previously been diverted in the last 5 years?
Yes, sir.
You had any felonies in the past 10 years?
Yes,
Currently on probation?
no, sir.
You understand if you fully complete the diversion program, the charges will be dismissed, pretrial diverted. You can have your record expunged. You
Yes, sir.
understand that? But if you do not successfully complete the diversion program and you're brought back in front of me for a violation, the court will schedule a sentencing hearing. You would be a convicted felon. And that can be used against you in the future. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty because you did commit the acts charged in the indictment as amended now?
Yes, sir.
You do so of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Your constitutional rights explain to you is still your desire to give up those rights, enter plea of guilty to the charges and allow the court to fix your punishment. Is that your signature on the document? You have the document there?
Yes, sir.
I'll accept the agreement. What are the court costs in this case?
$240.
Court costs are $240. Can you pay them today or do you need some time? I can do it monthly if you want to. Did that help you any or $240?
I could pay it today, but I wouldn't have money to work.
Well,
Like, can I pay
what I'm
it
gonna
over
do
the,
is
can I
I'm gonna
pay
let
it in
you-
the next 30 days?
I'm gonna do you a better deal in that you pay the first $30, 30 days from today, and every 30 days after that, you pay $30, which should be about, 8 months, spread it out. Help you any?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, the probation and parole officer is back there. You'll need to talk to her. Okay, thank you. Okay, I guess we can go off the record till 10:30. Is that correct? Do what? Dare County, are y'all ready to proceed with your docket?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, we'll go ahead and take it up then. Is Commonwealth ready?
Yeah.
Let's see Timothy Alexander. Mr. Poindexter is not here yet. So you're on the case now, DPA is?
Yes.
Okay, Commonwealth of Kentucky versus Timothy Alexander, 23 CR 0039. Are you Timothy Alexander?
Sir.
Born in 1982.
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 5227.
Yes, sir.
So probation revocation, what does the Commonwealth have to say?
Yeah, there's a new case going before the grand jury this morning.
Please speak up. Sir.
There's a new case going before the grand jury this morning. I anticipate an indictment, so I just asked that this be continued to January and the negotiation day in January.
The negotiation date will be set for January the 16th. The next court date will be January 22nd by agreement. Okay? Thank you very much. William Brooks, your attorney will be up to see you. William Brooks.
Hey, Tim, just have a seat for now.
Oh, I'm gonna take it.
Are you William Brooks?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is 25 CR 005 and 25 0065. Mr. Brooks, were you born in 1983?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 7291.
Yes, sir.
What's the Commonwealth have to say?
Felony plea, Your Honor.
Mr. Brooks, I'm just informed that you have filed a motion that says you wish to enter a plea today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You're currently under the influence of drugs or alcohol.
No, sir.
Will you freely and voluntarily give it?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same person that we just named in 25 CR 005 and 25 CR 0065?
Yes, sir.
Have you discussed this matter with your attorney? Are you satisfied with his advice?
Yes, sir.
Have you reviewed the evidence the Commonwealth has against you? Feel like you're fully informed about the case?
Yes,
You
sir.
have certain rights under the Kentucky United States Constitution. You do not have to enter a guilty plea. And before I can accept a plea, I need to know that you understand those rights. I'm gonna go over them at the end. I'm gonna ask you to understand. If you have a right not to testify against yourself, no one can make you say anything, right to speak trial by jury, right to be represented by counsel at your jury trial, the right to confront and cross-examine all witnesses called to testify against you. Right to produce evidence, right to call witnesses in your favor, the right to close matter to higher court if you lose, the right to require the Commonwealth to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you're guilty charge against you. Understand that by entering a guilty plea, they give up all those rights. You understand that? Now, I may consider the Commonwealth's recommendation, but I'm now playing a range of sentence by the law. I don't have to accept, prior to accepting the recommendation. I would order a pre-sentence investigation report to be done by probation and parole. Then after viewing that report, I decided not to accept the recommendation, give you a harsher sentence. You have the right to withdraw your plea, proceed to trial. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Stockton, what's the Commonwealth's recommendation?
Your Honor, the defendant agrees to stipulate revocation in Cumberland indictment number 25 CR 5 upon a plea of guilty to theft and unlawful taking. In this case, over $1,000, he'll receive a sentence of 1 year to serve. 1 year shall run consecutively to Cumberland Circuit Indictment 25 CR 5. The Commonwealth opposes probation, and I probably will not oppose shock probation after he serves 4 or 5 months. He was in the special report program. He never got started because he was in a car accident and he committed this new felony. So I might look at putting him back in the drug court in 4 or 5 months.
Is that your understanding of the Commonwealth's recommendation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you pleading guilty because you committed the acts charged in the indictment as amendment?
Yes, sir.
So your own free will. Knowing your
Yes, sir.
constitutional rights have explained to you still your desire to proceed with your plea and to allow the court to fix your punishment within the range permitted by the law. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that after any of this guilty plea, any future convictions could be enhanced as far as the range of penalty.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bailiff, will you retrieve the document here and let this gentleman hand it up here and I'll show him that signature. Sir, is that your signature on there?
Yes, sir.
I didn't get that. Did you try that?
Well, I'll accept the agreement. Order pre-sentence investigation report to be done by probation and parole. Schedule sentencing for January the 22nd.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Alfred Cresilius. Alfred Cresilius.
Ready whenever you want.
Okay. Are you Alfred Casillas?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is 25 CR 0052. Mr. Casillas, were you born in 1985?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 5305.
Yes, sir.
We're here for review, it says, and because we didn't have a DUI guilty plea form filled out, do you have it now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Commonwealth, have you seen it?
Yes,
Okay, well, is that all we need with Mr. Casillas?
yes.
Okay, we got the form in, Mr. Casillas, so that's all we need. Merry Christmas to you.
All right, thank you. Merry Christmas to you.
Barry Gibson. Barry Gibson. Barry Gibson.
It'll be
Yes, sir.
22 CR 0037. Are you Barry Gibson?
Yes, sir.
Well, good morning. Were you
Good morning.
born in 1969.
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security are 9632. We're
Yes,
here
sir.
on the pretrial diversion revocation. What's the Commonwealth have?
Your Honor, he's got a 5-year sentence on one endangerment first, and he's agreeing to stipulate on this.
Okay, you stipulating on the revocation, I order a pre-sentence investigation for it to be done by probation and parole. Probation
Yes,
and
sir.
parole will be up to see you pretty soon to interview, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas.
Aaron Lee. Arraignment. 25 CR 0077. Are you Aaron Lee?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Born in 1994, Mr. Lee,
Yes.
and the last four digits, social security number 1623. Here
Yes.
for the purpose of arraignment. You have the right to remain silent. Office of Public Advocacy represents you. Public Defender's Office. Do we have a form on this? Yeah, the EPA and district court, so I'll continue the appointment. You have a right to remain silent. The grand jury has charged you with possession of controlled substance, first degree methamphetamine, possession of drug paraphernalia, and possession of controlled substance not in the original contained. Counsel, you acknowledge the identity of your client, receive indictment, waive formal reading and arraignment, enter plea not guilty or other non-pretrial motions.
Yes, Your
I'm
Honor.
signing a reciprocal discovery order, sir, that will require the Commonwealth to give your attorney available information to prepare for your defense. We will schedule a negotiation day on January 16th, and the next court day is on January 22nd. Okay?
Your Honor, if I could inquire about his bond, I don't see one set, so I just want to.
I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
He's got 25 minutes on the pocket, that case.
Was it a clerk approved surety?
We originally had 15,000 surety here in your court, and it was amended to nobody to say 11. So this just.
Do what?
You got the new case.
Yeah.
So there's a
He was out on
pending
bond.
evidence.
He was out on bond. And he pulled another case.
Your Honor, I would ask the
Well,
court.
I'm still not aware of what's going on. What's his other charge? It just got arraignment on here and it doesn't have another charge. Was he out on bond on a different charge or what? I don't want to look at it. I just want you to tell me.
Yeah. Personal recon. This case, what we're going with. And yeah, it looks like you got indicted. And we've got this new case on the.
Yeah. Did he get a new case when he was arrested in?
He did.
Okay. That's what he got a new case.
So when they arrested him, they
He got a new
found
possession.
something on him. Right.
Yeah, in that case, it's not going to the grand jury today, so the new case will probably be next month.
Is it a possession case?
Another possession case, yes. So he's got two possession cases.
So he was under bond. He was under bond. in the district court when he caught this second charge, or did it
Well,
was
no,
just
I
a
guess-
direct submission?
I guess what happened was when they went to serve an indictment warrant, you had a bond on the indictment
I'm
warrant.
asking though if he was under a bond in the district court or it was.
He should have been, it was a F case.
Oh.
ROR. So here we got him now at ROR on a possession case and they serve it on him, the indictment warrant, and they catch him again. So
Yeah.
that's the reason I put no bond.
Your Honor, I heard that there was a cash bond on the pending F case. Would the court consider a concurrent cash
There
bond?
was an ROR
On the new one, I apologize, on the new F case.
I didn't have, no, I held it with no bond because he was arrested. He was out on an ROR for possession of drugs. They arrested him. He's out on bond. They arrested him. He got drugs on him again.
Understand, Your Honor.
I do not like that.
Understand.
What does the Commonwealth have to say about it?
That's fine. This is good time, I would think. He's got an 18 case criminal history, so it's not like he's new to the system.
Yeah.
We can handle it on negotiation day probably.
Negotiation day, the 16th. And the next court date's on the 22nd, and on the 16th, if y'all can reach some agreement as to bond, I'll consider it, okay?
Thank you, Your
Thank you
Honor.
very much. Thank you, Mr. Lee. Yes,
What? Ms. Costello, there's a $2,500 cash bond, say it on the F case. The new judge, the new judge, that's good, it's all six. I think that's what she named it to all.
well, I'm getting two different things here. I don't know.
That's just what Megan told me to do.
Do what?
That's what Megan asked me to do.
Yeah. Well, the clerks tell me something different here, so, but I'm holding without, I'm holding to that day anyway, okay?
But in this case that we currently have was just an F case before it got to us, he was ROR.
Yeah.
He was indicted, you said, the surety bond on indictment. When he went to serve the indictment warrant, he had
Drugs.
drugs on him. He was arrested on that F case, and she said a $2,500 cash bond on that case. So he has the cash bond on that F case and then no bond on the CF case. So that's what she's talking about. So he does have a cash bond on the F case. The new F case.
I don't have the.
Yeah, correct.
That's in that mortgage degree. Thomas O'Donnell.
That's just our motions, and we probably shouldn't have put them on the docket. That's all the out-of-state witnesses we need to get. served.
Mr. O'Donnell, are you representing Mr. O?
Well, I'm on his team, Your Honor, so I'll say
Well,
it
okay,
in. I
well,
wasn't.
the only thing this is motion to secure orders for out-of-state witnesses. You have-
Multiple motions, yes.
Pardon?
Multiple.
Multiple motions to secure. You have no objection to that.
For the subpoenas, I don't believe so, Your Honor.
Well,
I
mean,
think
you
it was
need to-
filed.
You don't believe so. Tell me, what do you believe? Do you have objections or no objections?
I don't think so, Your Honor, because
You
this is
don't
my.
think so, you don't believe and you don't think.
Hey, let me explain, Your Honor.
I'm asking you to think and to believe.
So today is my first day back.
Congratulations.
Yes.
You agreed just to the subpoenas.
I believe we are all in agreement to subpoenas.
Well, I can't accept that.
Your Honor, I apologize.
I don't want your apology. I want your agreement. These are just subpoenas. I'm gonna, and you not stated a cogent objection to it. I'm gonna go ahead and approve the subpoenas. Okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. O'Donnell. We're finished. Gene Parrish. Are you Gene Parrish?
Yes, sir.
Good morning. This
Good
is
morning, how you doing?
25 CR 00011. Were you born in 1989, Mr. Parrish?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 9523.
Yep.
This is the probation revocation. What does the Commonwealth have to say?
Your Honor, he has a 3-year sentence on possession. And it looks like since October the 13th of 2025, he's had nothing but problems. Failed a drug test, failed a report, failed to complete treatment. I'm prepared to put Mr.
Stipulate to these.
We're stipulating, Your Honor.
Stipulate will, I think it would be better, Mr. Parrish, for me to revoke his probation and try to get, the parole board to act on it rather than obviously cannot comply with probation. Good luck to you, Mr. Parrish. Merry Christmas. Okay. Richard Whitlow for Raymond. This is the last case for the grand jury. Mr. Richard Whitlow. Are you Richard Whitlow?
Yes, sir.
Hello, you're here today on 25 CR 0079 for arraignment. Were you born in 1975, Mr. Whitlow?
Yes, sir.
Okay, last four digits, social security number 7638, is that correct?
No,
7630, what are the last four digits of social security number? The last four digits of your social security number,
of my social security number,
your social security number.
0884.
There should be four numbers. That are the last four digits.
0884.
0884. Okay. But we'll make that correction. Sorry. You have a right to remain silent. The grand jury of Cumberland County has returned an indictment charging you with trafficking and controlled substance, first degree, second offense, being a persistent felony offender. Mr. Bailey? Mr. Whitlow, you understand what those charges are. I'm not asking if you're guilty.
No, sir, I don't.
You don't? Okay,
No,
well,
I
I'll
don't.
read the indictment to you. Here. Give me the indictment back.
Yes, sorry.
The grand jury of Cumberland County charges that on or about the 30th day of October 2025, above named defendant committed the offense of trafficking and controlled substance, first degree, second offense, over 2 grams, a class B felony, when the defendant knowingly and lawfully sold, transferred, distributed, dispensed, or possessed methamphetamine with the intent to distribute said methamphetamine against the peace and dignity of the Commonwealth of Kentucky, signed as a true bill by the former of the grand jury, and being a persistent felony offender means that the grand jury finds that on or about October 30th, 2025 in Cumberland County, Kentucky, the above named defendant committed the offense of trafficking and controlled substance, first degree, second offense, over 2 grams. At that time, the defendant was a person more than 21 years of age who stood convicted of a prior felony offense, with a previous conviction being conviction of a felony in this state or convicted of a crime in any other jurisdiction, and the sentence and then a sentence in term of imprisonment of 1 year or more was imposed. Defendant and the defendant was over the age of 18 at the time the offense was committed. The defendant completed the service of sentence imposed on previous felony conviction within 5 years of the date of commission of the previous felony conviction. Within 5 years of the date of commission of felony of trafficking and controlled substance, first degree. Or the defendant was on probation, parole, conditional discharge, furlough, appeal, some other legal form of release on the conviction on October 25th, 2025. Signed a true bill against the peace of the Commonwealth of Kentucky. You acknowledge, we formally read the indictment, you acknowledge the identity, you have a plea to enter on,
And plea of not guilty to the charge.
reserving all pretrial motions.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm signing a
I'd like to put in
reciprocal.
for a change of venue.
Well, you'll have an
Honor.
opportunity to talk to your attorney about that.
There's clear conflict in this case, in
You need to
this
be
court.
quiet right now. Okay, your attorney will get an opportunity to talk to you about that. Thank you. Okay, now we'll schedule a January 16th negotiation day, and January the 22nd, and your attorney will be able to come up to talk to you, Mr. Whitlow, about any kind of motions you want to file, okay? Is there anybody else in Daris County we need to talk to?
No, we're done, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I'll be excused.